Hey there! In this video, I'll walk you through how to set up multiple WooCommerce instances in the WooCommerce module of Odoo, so you can seamlessly connect your online store with your Odoo backend. Let's get started. First, open the WooCommerce module in Odoo. Click on the Instance menu, then hit New to create a fresh instance. Now enter your instance name. Next, you'll need three key things from your WooCommerce store: the store URL, the consumer key, and the consumer secret. Just copy and paste them into the fields provided. Once you've added the details, click Save, then hit Connect Instance. If everything's set up correctly, your instance will connect, and you'll see the option to activate it. Click that, and you're good to go. When the instance is activated, Odoo automatically starts importing essential data, like taxes, shipping methods, attributes, and categories. This is handled by a background process called QJobs. Wait a moment for the process to finish. Once QJobs is done, your instance is fully activated. Now you're ready to sync operations between WooCommerce and Odoo with zero hassle. If this helped you out, give us a like, hit subscribe, and drop a comment if you've got questions. We're here to help. Thanks for watching.